Hi, welcome back to my channel Skill Set Go and welcome to the RxJava tutorial. In the previous video, we have seen how to create an observable object using FromArray operator, and we have also seen how to create an observable object using just operator. In this video, we will see how to use a range operator to create an observable. Range operator is nothing but a sequence of generated objects. So in this example, if you see FromArray, the observable will emit all these integers one by one to the subscriber. So we can convert a same thing using a range operator. Just remove this from array and use the range operator. Range will take a starting number and the length of the numbers from the starting numbers, how many numbers should create. Let's say here we have only 8. Let's create 8 and we no need this array. Now the observable will emit a numbers starting with 1 and length is 18. Let's execute this and see the result. So as the observable emits an integer objects, observer also should receive an integer objects. So here as you can see, the observer is emitting a number starting with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then the length is 8. Suppose if you want to generate a numbers starting with 5 and 10 numbers. I want to generate 10 numbers starting with 5. So this is the arguments for that. I want to generate 10 numbers starting with 5th number. Let's execute and see. So here as you can see, the number starting with 5 and 10 numbers, that is up to 14, and finally we got a completed event. So this is how we will create an observable object using a range operator. So I hope you understood this video and watch more videos for more concepts in RxJava. Thank you for watching.